This is the standard Mercedes AMG G63, and this one here is the Brabus version of the Mercedes AMG G63, which is a fully modified beast. Brabus is a company that specializes in modifying Mercedes-Benz, Maybach and smart cars. But Brabus doesn't just tune cars, they transform them into luxury supercars. They upgrade everything from the engine and suspension to the interior, aerodynamic body kits and exhaust systems. Through precise engine remapping, Brabus extracts far more power and torque. For instance, the Mercedes AMG G63's engine, which originally produces 577 horsepower, can reach up to 900 horsepower after Brabus tuning. Every Brabus car is limited and exclusive, meaning only a select few people in the world own one. Inside, they use premium leather, Alcantara and carbon fiber to create a truly luxurious cabin. Brabus cars aren't just fast, their exhaust note is incredibly aggressive too. Depending on the model and the level of customization, a Brabus can cost anywhere from 3 crore rupees to 10 crore rupees or even more.